Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to verify your Facebook profile. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Facebook, and once you're there, you will be appear with this type of screen interface. So what you're gonna do is click on that three dots or three lines on the top right corner, and then click on setting and privacy. Then click on see more in Meta, and from over here, click on Meta Verified. Once you click on Meta Verified, it's going to show you waitlist options, and you need to click on blue waitlist option, so then your account is going to be on the waitlist. Now to verify your Facebook profile, what you're gonna do is Facebook is first going to take if your account has followed the terms and service. Once it checks that, then it's going to send you a notification saying you are okay to verify your account. You are going to get the notification on the notification section. You will be notified saying Meta verification allowed, and you can click on it, and it's going to take you to the verification process. So that's how easily you can verify your Facebook profile. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.